Hi guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Aishcream. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, if it is, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really love and appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to basically be showing you a few different ways that you can style a jersey scarf, a jersey hijab. Now, a jersey hijab is stretchy, like so. I will leave the dimensions of the scarf in this video somewhere or down below because I always get asked the sizes of my scarves, so I'm just going to start trying to remember to leave that as part of the video. The reason, so I'm basically going to start doing a bit of a series, I guess you can call it, so doing like different ways to style different material scarves. So I'll do chiffon, crinkle scarf, whatever. So if you have any suggestions for me, any specific type of scarves that you want me to show you how to style, leave a comment down below and I'll do that. But the reason I've started with the jersey scarf is because it's one of the more easier ones to style and to kind of keep in place, just because it is really stretchy, so it kind of holds its place well. That's why I thought it'd be a really good one to start with. It's super simple to style, and the good thing as well, which you'll see in one of the styles, is that it ruches nicely. So you know when you like do the styles where you get the nice folds, this material makes it a million times easier because it just does it for you. So yes, and for those of you who are in Nigeria, because I know a lot of my followers are from Nigeria, if you can't easily get the jersey scarf, then the closest thing would be to get, you know, the material that you use to make hijabs, then that would be the closest material. So this is actually what this is here. When I went to Nigeria, I saw this colour and I thought I just had to have it. It's so nice. So you can see it is literally the same kind of thing. It stretches a lot. The main difference is obviously this is shiny, this is not. This is like matte, I guess. So it means that this is a bit more slippery, so you may need to use pins if you use this, whereas with this, I literally have never used a pin with this style, I don't think. Okay, other than one style which you'll see in here, but you'll see why. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so for this first style, you need to get your scarf, put it on your head equal lengths. The scarf has been folded in half lengthways first as well, by the way. So then you take one side, after crossing the two sides across, then you take the right side or the left side, whichever you want to do, bring it over. So I start a bit further back with this one, kind of around your bun area. And this is what I mean when I say that the jersey scarf kind of forms the folds naturally for you without much effort at all. It's so good for that. And then you just simply tuck that side in, and then you pretty much do the same with the other side and just bring it over, but I bring this one to the front a bit more. And see how it just creates these natural folds for you. It's so good. Honestly, if you are somebody who likes kind of all these folds and stuff, then the jersey scarf will be perfect for you. And again, just tuck it away, tuck it away, and neaten stuff up, and there you have it, pretty much done there, isn't it? Okay, so for this next style, you need to bring your scarf to the front, tie a knot in it, and then the side that's kind of the closest to the back, you need to twist that and take that backwards, and then the one at the front, bring it forward. Hope that makes sense. And then you need to open the one at the back up and then gather it at the back and tuck it underneath. Like so, and then you just take the other side. Oh, it just looks like chocolate. Twist it a bit and then tuck it under that fold that you have. And if you tuck it in well enough, it shouldn't move, it shouldn't come out. And this is what I was trying to demonstrate by shaking my head. But yeah, so easy, but it just looks so chocolatey. This scarf just looks chocolatey. I just love it. It's great. So yeah, another super simple style there using a jersey hijab. Looks like a Viennese swirl. Okay, so I'm using a different coloured scarf now. It's beautiful. So notice the two lengths was the two sides were equal. I have started with the scarf kind of at an angle on my head, cross the two sides over, and then take one side and then cross that over the other side, and you see again those folds create naturally. Then just take the two sides, twist them together. When you run out, then just twist the longer side around the shorter side, and you need to twist it around like this to form a little bun at the side of your head. And how stunning is this style, guys? I absolutely love it, and the colour of this scarf is beautiful. There we go. How simple is that? So just pin it to secure the bun to the scarf. You can put more pins in if you want as well, just to stick it a bit more flat down against the scarf, but I was happy with it the way it was. Loved it, loved that style, and I love the colour of the scarf so much. Okay, so this next style is again using a brown scarf, but again it's folded in half. So one side is a bit longer than the other, the right side is a bit longer, and then you just need to tie a knot at the front. Again, do that thing again where I twist it and take one side back and one to the front, open that up again. It's similar start to, well, it's the same start as the other style that we did. Open that up and then take it back and tuck it under. That's what I'm doing here. Tuck it under like so. Then take the other side and literally just take it round to the left, and take it all the way to the back, and then just tuck it in, and you just have like a nice kind of crisscross formation thing going on at the front, and it just looks really cute and really intricate, even though you saw how simple that was to do. Okay, so yeah, just neaten things up, and there you have it. Bob is your uncle. Voila. So again, you're starting with the scarf at a bit of an angle on your head, cross the two sides over, cross the two sides over, and then again it's similar to that other style. So do the whole cross the other side over to the at an angle like this, as I'm doing, and then this time you just tie a knot and then tuck that little short bit round the back, just like that, so it's out of the way, and then just leave that side hanging down. And again, this was just something, when I was trying something else, this kind of was part of the stage of it, and I just thought, oh, I actually really like that, kind of hanging down, so now it's a style. Yeah, so that's literally it. This final one is super simple. All you need to do is bring the scarf around to the front of your head, cross the two sides over, take it around to the back, and tie it. Simple as that. The reason I like it with this style, with this material, is because it's heavy enough for it to just kind of look like it just, you know, free flowing. You know what I mean? But yeah, really liked it. So super simple. Super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. Yada yada yada, you know the drill. I'll catch you next week. Bye!